squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you guys see by the title, I'm about to embarrass myself. So as you guys see by the title, I'm gonna be reacting to old photos. Yes, old photos, embarrassing myself. Most of these photos are very cringy, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. So these pictures, I'm gonna be starting from being an adult, but a couple years ago, to kids pictures like toddler and yeah. I had to think long and hard to do this video, so bear with me. Don't judge me, don't come for me. I know, but this picture was when I first came to America, probably like a month living in America. Probably like couple months, like 2 months. I don't know where I think I was going, dressed like this just to go to the beach. Like, people wear swimsuit to the beach, and look what good they have on. Good they have our backpack and dress shirt, button up shirt. Good they come foreign and don't know how to act. Oh, this was my 22nd birthday. Listen, like me say, goody come a foreign and don't know how to act, because I was a couple months in America. Yo, in this picture, I swear I was the ish. Like, big ring pan finger, big chain, colorful fingernails. This was the same day as well. It was my 22nd birthday. I was at the movies. Them time, I didn't have any friends here. I didn't know anyone, only my family, like my little brother, my cousin. Yeah, I didn't have any friend to hang out with for my birthday, so I went to the movies with my little brother and my cousin. Hey, listen, this was another picture when I just came to America. Real Jamaicans represent yard till death. I repped my country hard when I just came here because I missed home. So I used to do stuff like this, like collage with my pictures. But look on goody body, I was skinny though. I was very skinny. I want that body back. Back then I was like, damn, I'm too skinny. And now I wish I had this body. No, still fresh in America, but goody come right out in our dress. Listen, that dress, I don't know where that dress is. Not my style anymore. When I just came to America, I wanted friends to, because all right, imagine leaving from a place where you used to party from Sunday to Sunday, 7 days a week. Then you come here, it's a different scenery, everything is so different. You're just in the house, you don't have any friends. It's so different. So all I wanted was friends to go out, party, have fun, live it up. But yeah, I don't know where I went in this dress, I don't remember, but all I know is I don't know, because I didn't have any friends. It was probably with my aunt I went out with, I don't know, but yeah. This picture is definitely with my aunt, and we were at a house party. Please God, please give me this body back. I want this body. I used to complain how skinny I was, but if I have this body again, who can talk to me? Nobody. I need this body back. All right, so this was my first friend in America. When I came to America, this was my first friend, Samantha. Big up yourself, Samantha. We still communicate a little bit, but distance and stuff, we're far away from each other, but we still communicate 1 and 2 times, on Snapchat and so forth. But she was my first friend. I met her at my first job here in America, and we hang out everywhere. Every day off, that was us together, every time, or after work. Yo, It was some party. It was some Jamaican party. I don't know with who, but all I know is I came right out. What did I go with my hairline? No, my hairline now say nothing right here, so. But who did act like me? Those can I have this body back? Them time I may kill ripped jeans, you know? Ripped jeans and crop top. And remember those days with the big bow, the big chains with the bow, you have the bow, you have different style, them days, yeah. And your little bag on shoulder. Where was I going? Yeah, I was going to another party. This was, yeah, iguanas. If you live in Florida, you know iguanas. South Florida, to be exact. Oh, Tanisha. Alright, this was my second friend in America. Yes, my second friend in America. This girl, she introduced me to so many places, so many new things here in Florida. Real one right here. This is my girl. We're still close, we're still friends. Yes. Oh, and tomorrow is her birthday. Yeah, I'm doing this the day before her birthday. Tomorrow is her birthday. Big up yourself, Tanisha. Oh gosh, sleepy face. This was a flight to New York. So it's been a year since I'm in America, this picture. It was an early morning flight and I wanted to sleep, but see, the one next big chain, boss. Why me used to kill them something here? Goodies, first Christmas in America. This was my first Christmas in America. Yeah, this was at the mall. I just came back from New York because I went to New York for Thanksgiving to visit my father, and then I came back, and then this was Christmas time. Skinny girl, I was so skinny and I love it, but back then I didn't like it. Now I'm a whale. Who did my makeup? Who? Because I couldn't do this to myself. And these pictures are on Facebook, and for the people who commented under these pictures and say, oh, cute, beautiful. Oh no, wicked. Guys, look at this. Look on my eyebrow. Another one. But who remember these days when the colorful lipstick just came out? You had orange, blue, purple, pink, green, every color. Me, I had every color, but this was ugly. Some of these pictures really need to come on Facebook for real. No man, this needs to come on Facebook. No. Oh, this was my cousin's birthday. Big up yourself, Robin. We were at a strip club. God, this was a crazy night. I had fun. It was a fun night. So them time I go to start go out and be things, link up with my cousins. Cause listen, all my family, well, 90% of my family is in America. Yes, so I have everybody here, but my family is weird, so that's another story. Oh yes, this was Christmas time as well. Listen, fashionista, couldn't talk to me. Fashion, I was all about the fashion. Listen, when these jeans denim hat came out, this was the white one, I was obsessed. I used to take my pictures, like selfies, and make quotes with them. Big chain, big ring, big watch, bling bling, color, bright lipstick. This was another night at the strip club with my cousin and her friends. Good times. Good times. These days when girl used to just always at the mall shopping because what? A new party coming up. Young and not thinking. Yep, another night out. Girl in her short hair, blonde. I used to color my hair. I used to be so good with the bleaching. Color my hair in every different color. Wait, soon you're gonna see some coming up soon. The colors. Girl on fleek with her pink lipstick. See, this was the same hair I colored in red. The blonde one that you saw first, I colored it in red. I was good with that. And there comes my other friend, Shireen. I was just getting to know her. Went to her graduation. Big up yourself, Shireen. You a real one. Yes, we're still close. Yeah, you guys see her in that video that she did my what's that braid? That was a braiding hairstyle. I'll leave the link down below. Her and my other friend, Tanisha, they're best friends. They both play a big part in my life. Real ones. Another selfie picture with the denim hat. These were pictures to make quotes. We did have a lot of time on my hands. If you sit down on Facebook and make quotes with my pictures. Who remember these days when we used to post like this and pose like this on Instagram with the hand? What was that? What was that? The men, they would pose like this with, I don't know who them a salute, and the girl or some men too would pose like this. I don't have the answers. The captions used to be dope, and then the comments, dope, dope, dope. Me don't know what do we. Oh, this was in New York when I went that time for Thanksgiving. It was cold. It was very cold. I didn't do much. It wasn't like a great experience where I got to see New York because I didn't really get to see much. But I'll do it again. I'll go to New York again. Girl come right out. And this was just a movie night with my friends. But girl come right out. And this was Valentine's. I wasn't in any relationship or anything at the time. Was just hanging out with friends. It was Valentine's and we were watching, remember that movie that came out with, was it Grey? Something another Grey. Alright, so this one good is Step It Up Now, and I come right out with our party looks. But I think this was like 2015 when girls start, yeah, I gotta step it up some more, gotta look more modern. Not 2020 modern, but 2015 modern, with your little black dress. Oh, I had a lip piercing too. When I just came to America, I did that lip piercing and a couple tattoos. But that was the girl before. I ain't that girl anymore. Oh, this was when we went back to Jamaica. We, as in me and my boyfriend, we went back to Jamaica in 2015. And this was just a selfie in Jamaica, in a Carabao, Spanish Town. That's where I'm from. Big up yourself, Spain Town, Spanish Town, Spanish clown. I think this is the only picture I have when I was in Jamaica as an adult, because I was like 19, 20. Adult. When I look back at the like picture, that's why I deleted those pictures. It brings back so many memories that I don't want to remember, you know. I mean, it built me and it was like lesson learned and stuff like that, but it makes me feel. But yeah, this was one of them. I found only one. This was a Thanksgiving at Shireen's house, and she did a blowout for me. This was when I had natural hair, relaxed hair, sorry, and I was dressed in my boots. Boy, you would that thing say New York me live the way how me dressed in Florida. Yeah, this was Florida, but you that think in New York me live the way how me a fashion, you know. I wasn't cold. Fashion, That's all stuck in my head. Fashion. Yes, when Goody come out in our green ear. Listen, and me bring green ear to life them these year. Cause nobody wasn't so brave to come up and wear green hair like this. And this was some these days Brazilian hair come out strong, and everybody I try to get the Brazilian, and I used to color my hair in different colors. Like, I was having fun with my hair these days. Lip ring, big chain, Goody come right out. Another green hair pictures. I think this picture I was doing like, oh, when she can do both, sneakers versus heels. Green hair, the green hair I had it long, and then the picture in the dress I cut it in a bob. Well, my friend Shireen, she cut it in a bob. She's the hair, listen, she's the hair queen. This was a webcam. Remember when we used to take pictures with the webcam, the laptop? Blonde in the back, black in the front. I mean, the braids were neat, but I ain't feeling this one, no. Okay, I think this was like my 23rd birthday. Yeah, I think this was my 23rd birthday. Yes, Miss Fashionista. Listen, why? Because I know I can't walk in this. I know this night I put those heels on just to take pictures, because I did not walk in these heels for sure. Or maybe I did for 5 minutes and that was it. What is she them time here? Real fashionista, you know? This is me and my cousin. Everybody used to say we look alike. Where? I don't know. Do we look alike? I don't think so. Maybe a little bit. Maybe the eyes, and that's it. Girl was and still is obsessed with pink. I remember I had my room in pink and white. White furnitures with pink, little pink, you know, to fill it in. Girly, you know, that girly room. Them time the selfie stick hot, you know. You walk with a selfie stick and I take a picture. My hair, my relaxed hair. But this was bedtime. I was dressed for bed. Yeah. Oh. Then Tamara, my other friend. So Tamara, she's my friend. She's been along the journey with me, you know, being new in America and stuff like that. But the distance right now, you know, she's far away. But here's a funny story. She is my boyfriend's aunt. Tamara introduced us. I'm gonna start doing story times, so we'll save that for story time. She's my friend. She's still my friend. We're still close. We talk all the time. We talk every day. Yes. Or remember when Vendetta, when Alkaline just come out with the Vendetta? Well, my Jamaicans know. When Alkaline just come out with the Vendetta, me and my friend, we got the mask. We did a photo shoot. We got 2 masks. We got a couple two masks. We took pictures. We were taking pictures for a carnival, like a carnival promo, but it was like a photo shoot, a Vendetta type, with my Jamaican flag on my neck. Vendetta mask. 2016. Skinny days. This is me and Tanisha again. Me and Tanisha in Gainesville for Shireen's graduation. It was that same weekend. Oh my goodness, can I have that body back? I'm about to cry. All right, so now we're getting to the embarrassing pictures. Yes, I was a church girl. I used to go to church all the time. I think I was like a teenager here. I was probably like 16 or so. But it looked thick, or maybe it's just a picture. So that's my mom, my little brother, and my stepsister, which that's my brother's sister. Yes, church girl. We used to always go to church every Sunday, girl, every Sunday. I need to start doing that again. This picture I was like 1. Yeah, photo shoot. That's all. Listen, this is why I'm like this. Blame it on my mom, because she's been doing this with me since I was 1, dressing me and having photographers taking my pictures, photo shoots. Yeah, so blame her. I like, it's stuck in my head. With my ring, my bangle. Who remember bangles? Because I'm more than one. I'm a little stuffed animal next to me. I don't think I look the same. I really don't. Listen, all I had was birthday parties. This was my 7th birthday party. Every single year my mom would throw me a birthday party. Every single year up until I was 12 years old. I had bounce houses, what we call in Jamaica bounce about, and all these excited stuff. I was super skinny. Oh gosh. Alright, I was graduating from primary school, but why my shoes did so big? My shoes did big, you know? Them pictures are very embarrassing. I don't know if I really want to show. No, I probably edit these out. Me I talk about my shoes. Look at my mother's shoes in another picture here. My mom's friend, daughters, and I don't know, I think we were at a party. Well, look at my mother's shoes. At least my shoes don't look so bad in the picture here. All-star she did that wear. Okay. Oh, this was in the Bahamas. Every day with the palm boat. At this time we spent like 2 months in the Bahamas. So that's my mom on the left, my grandma in the middle, and my grand aunt on the right, my grandma's sister, and that's my little cousin on the right. Yeah, rest in peace to my grandma, rest in peace to my grand aunt. I was graduating from basic school. Jeez, I look like one little bad pitney. I'm pretty sure my mom have stories about these pictures. Hot girl Krissy doing her photo shoots. Another birthday party. I think this was my 8th birthday party. And guess who used to be at all my parties? That same cousin that I show you guys that people say we look alike. Every party him there for eat my cake. Big up you, One Link TV. He has a YouTube channel, One Link TV. Go subscribe. Like I said, birthday parties, birthday parties, birthday parties. This was my 5th birthday party. Embarrassing pictures. Let's just sort of skip this one. I'm almost finished. Same night, birthday party, my 5th birthday party. These pictures were horrible, like the quality, but I love them. Don't mind how old some of these pictures look because they're in an album and them look, you know, they mash up over the years. Aww, this was me in the pink and the, what you call that, all overs in America. Well, in Jamaica we call it jumper. That was Kavar, my cousin. We're not blood cousins, but we grew up together. And Shanique, we grew up together as family, as cousins, because it's a long story. My cousin that I just big up, One Link TV, that's his mom and 2 cousins right there. But because we all grew up together, we're all family. We're all family. So we just call each other cousins. These were my day ones. Yep. Shanique, Kavar, big up yourself. It was 5 of us. You will see us everywhere. You never see one without the other. It was me, Shanique, Kavar, Dul, which his right name is Shane, and Chevon. 5 of us, everywhere. But that's it for these embarrassing photos. Leave comments down below, let me know what you think. I love to read the comments. I love to read the comments and laugh. So let me know what you guys think. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, remember to hit that thumbs up, make it blue. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.